If carving your brows feels more like a battle than beauty, don't worry, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down the easiest way to get clean, defined, and flawless brows. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this beginner friendly eyebrows carving tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the basics of shaping and defining your brows as a beginner step by step. And if you're also looking to improve, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First things first, you will need a spoolie brush, a razor, and a mirror. Now, here is a little pro tip. Divide your razor into two. It makes it much easier to handle, especially when you're working around those precise curves. Now, imagine the shape that you want to create, the kind of curve you're looking out for. Once you've got that vision in mind, go ahead and brush your brows upward using your spoolie. This helps reveal your natural shape and give you a clean base to work with. Alright, now trim the hairs underneath your brows. Those trays just hanging over there like the parent. Get rid of them first. This helps you see the shape clearly and gives you a better idea of what you are working towards. When you move to the top part of your brow, keep your razor nice and straight. Carve it down to the size you want. Whether you are going tiny and sleek, bold and bossy, or something soft and in between like mine. But when you get to the arc, your brows bone, aka the drama point, tilt your razor slightly. That slant is your best friend. It helps you glide around the arc without shaving it off. We are shaping our brows, we are not disappearing them. Grab your spoolie and brush upwards to sweep away all those shaved hairs. You start to see the shape coming through. It's about to give what it's supposed to give. Go back in those areas we've carved to keep defining them. Just make sure you are following the shape. Take your spoolie again. Yes, she's doing over time, and this time brush your brows hairs downward. You will notice those little rebels sticking out of line. Go ahead and gently scrape them off. This step is key if you want that soft, flat, defined, chic and classy brows finish. Now a quick one, when I was little, I took my mom's shaving beak and scraped out one of my eyebrows. So I've been in this game for more than 20 years. If you've watched up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. It will go a long way. Yes, it's spoolie again. If you don't have one, no stress. Don't stress it. A clean toothbrush will do the trick. We are not here to gatekeep beauty. Now, brush those brows hairs upwards and check for any little rebels still picking out. If you spot any, gently scrape them off. This is your final touch to get those brows looking clean, smooth, and oh, so snatched. Do you get that? You get the point? And just like that, I've finally arrived at the brows I imagined. This is exactly how I carve my brows, and you can definitely spot the difference between the two sides. Clean, shaped, and classy. Now, let's balance it out and complete the other brows. I know they say brows aren't twins, they're sisters. But let's be real, we are aiming for identical twins over here. Symmetry takes your look to a whole new level. So take your time and match them up as much as possible. By the end of this video, you will see how clean, carved and classy these brows will turn out. And I hope this video will make it super easy for you to follow, especially if you're just starting out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Let me know in the comment section how your brows turn out. I would like to see your glow up. Until next time, keep slaying and stay fabulous. Ciao.